Hi guys, here we've got Meizu M5s, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first, just open your phone dialer, and here we will be entering those codes. Let me start with the first one, which is asterisk pound, double to 5, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here we've got the calendar info. Actually, I don't have any calendars connected with my phone. However, if you do have it, if you have, for example, Google Calendar, your own calendar, just system calendar, you'll be able to see all events, all celebrations, like everything that is upcoming will be included here, so you will not forget about any important event, important celebration, birthday or whatever. And this is why this code is created. Super useful, truly recommended. But that's actually all. Let me go back. And another code that you can use is asterisk pound 4636 pound asterisk 609 4636 pound asterisk. And here we've got the phone information, also performed by Google, where you can check phone info, battery information, usage statistics, and also Wi-Fi details. Under phone info, you can run a ping test. Just click on it, and below you will find the results. Also here you've got plenty of important stuff regarding your device. For example, roaming, GSM service, network type, messages awaited, and so on. So that's it. Let me go back and open it again. And then let's go to battery information. So here you will be able to check all battery status, power plug, battery level, battery scale, health, voltage, temperature, technology, and also time since last boot. So quite useful informations. Then under user statistics, you've got all information regarding your apps. So the last time they've been used, or also the whole user time. As you can see, for example, system launcher have been in use at 11:30 last time, and it's been for 23 and 49 seconds. 23 minutes, obviously, and 49 seconds. So let me go back then. And then under Wi-Fi information, you can detect Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. And this last option also allows you to run a ping test. So here we've got the results. So let's go back. And another code that we can enter is super useful also, and it's engineering mode. So just press asterisk pound 3646 633 pound asterisk. And here we've got it. So here you can check the telephone, connectivity, hardware, location, log and debug, and plenty of others. And for example, if you'd like to check something in audio setup, just click here, pick normal mode or whichever you'd like to change, provide new values, and then tap on set. As you can see, it has been done, so you can smoothly go back. Then if you'd like to change something with your camera, smoothly open it, and also here you can manage your camera. And it's working the same way for each application. And that will be all for this engineering mode. Enjoy it. And last code, the shortest one also is asterisk pound 06 pound. And as you can see here, we've got email and main number assigned to your device, so it's super useful if you need, for example, provide email number pretty quickly. Smoothly enter this code, and then here it is. Tap on OK to close it. And that would be all. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.